Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Wednesday, February 8th. And in this one, we're going to look at ReneSola. I don't know how to pronounce that really, but it doesn't really matter, does it? It's SOL is the ticker, which is the ticker for this as opposed to you're sure out of luck. You could say that if you're a bear, though. Here's the thing. The stock, after making a big power move here, big high volume day on a breakout here, has been doing this. Just trading in a sideways range. Then just yesterday, the stock actually broke out of that range. Let's zoom in on pretty good volume. Today, it's breaking out even more. It's the first time the stock has moved above the upper Bollinger Band to this extent, really, and is staying that way since here. And you saw the kind of move that we had. This is a stock, really, that I'm looking and saying, okay, if I'm long the stock, and I am, then where would I want to take profits? And I would say the 200-day moving average, which is here at 364. Now, as each day goes by, this is going to trickle down. So let's just put it this way. Stock's at 294 now. If it starts getting up to 350, which will be like right here, that's certainly a level that I would be looking to take profits in. You can see where it is here as well. You know, this last high here. So right around this general level, 350 or so, is where I would look to take profits. What a lot of folks tend to miss is when you're buying when you own a stock like this, getting into the move to the upside, it's fine to just expect the stock to keep going higher and higher and higher. That's one way to trade it. The problem is if the stock instead rolls over, you're loaded up with a big position that you can't really do anything with because you don't feel like you can take a big loss. So instead of doing that on this kind of stock, which is not trending higher, it's just starting, it looks like it's starting to do that. Instead, trade around it a little bit. Use these levels to take profits. Use these other levels to buy. Use these other levels down here, at which point you'll say, okay, well, I guess this move was wrong. I'll go ahead and sell the thing. Know what your time frame is on your trades. I mention that all the time in Stock Market Mentor. And the big deal is just look at this whole area here as one big area of congestion, consolidation. This is where the buyers and the sellers live. So any pullbacks to this area should prompt buyers from all the folks that wish they hadn't sold here or the folks that wish they had bought in here. You'll see a lot of them come back and the stock's likely to move further to the upside. So anyway, that's it for this video. Members, I got about 15 minutes or so for you to look at with some of our trades from yesterday. And then also there's a Stock Market Mentor get-together that was organized in New York City tonight. So I'm going to be going to that, which is why I'm getting these out a little bit early. So I hope to see a lot of you there. And either way, I'll be back in the forum bright and early tomorrow morning.